Bow. First time. Wow, first time cosplay?
No. First time.
First time to win.
This one, okay, great. Good.
I love this. Best, there's a word for best in craftsmanship.
Craftsmanship award.
Kailangan mo na tumayo, pare. It's the RX-78 Gundam Mobile Suit. Robert J.
That's
Ong.
November 4th.
And he is not Robert Wong. This is Ong.
Oh.
We'll receive.
You will receive a Naruto costume.
Ang Naruto costume. O, bago ko ng costume. So, ano? Dito ka, dito.
Naruto jacket.
So, i-retire mo na yung costume na yan. Ang Naruto.
Naruto ka na lang.
So, teka, hold on. Robert, ako tinakpan ng bibig. Teka, before he leaves, can you tell us how long you make the costume? 2 weeks. 2 weeks lang.
7 to 1.
7 in the morning.
Next 7 in
The evening.
Until 1 in the morning every day.
Pero Tomasan?
Wow.
Robert Wong, watch out.
Watch out.
So, costume ka na, Luis. Maganda ako sa costume mo.
Naruto costume. Jacket. Straight from Comic Alley.
Okay, next. So this person dressed up as a character of King of Fighters as Vanessa Johnson, number 99.
Control.
Control.
Congratulations.
Control. I am looking at you now. I am looking at you now. I won't repeat. I'm sorry, excuse me. I won't repeat myself again. We're all grown-ups.
Okay. You receive a gift certificate worth 500 pesos. And from Comic Alley and also.
Thank you very much,
Congratulations.
Comic Alley, for providing a surprise. That sponsors as well. I haven't heard about this award for a long time. Hero's Pick. The choice of hero. Goes to... Well, I'm sorry, I like her too. The little Sailor Moon girl. Let's see the Sailor Moon please.
Cosplayer number 50.
Darling. Yeah, nabigyan na siya. Is he here? Oh, sleeping like a baby. But you were able to get him the prize.
Congratulations.
Nagbigay niya yung prize. Congratulations.
Ay, sorry.
Hero's Pick. Baby news. I think...
Can we ask for a representative for
It's
the
right
baby
there.
jeans?
It's the tent between here.